Hi, I'm Josh, and today we're making this Lamb Rogan Josh from scratch in a little under 30 minutes. To begin, let's heat a pan on a low to medium heat and add the butter or ghee, oil, bay leaves, cardamom pods and cinnamon stick. Give them a quick stir and let sizzle for 20 seconds. Make sure you've cut the lamb into chunks, then add it to the pan. Stir to coat in the seasoned oil and fry for 2 to 3 minutes, moving them gently to get each side seared. Remove the lamb from the pan and set it aside, leaving the oil, bay leaves, cardamom pods and cinnamon stick in the pan. Add the salt, onions and cumin seeds. Stir through and cook gently until the onions are translucent, stirring occasionally. Add a little water if required to deglaze those lovely lamb bits in the pan. After about 6 minutes, when the onions are beginning to change colour, add the garlic paste, ginger paste and the green chillies. Mix through, adding a little more water if required, and continue cooking for another few minutes or until the onions are light golden brown. Add in the chopped tomatoes, stir through and cook until the tomatoes are soft and the oil begins to separate. The tomatoes will release a lot of water at this stage, so you shouldn't need to add any more water just yet. Now sprinkle over the Kashmiri powder for its slight heat and the great colour it brings, the curry mix powder and some nice earthy turmeric. Stir well and fry for a couple of minutes until the oil begins to separate again. Now add the remaining water, remove the hard spices which should have floated to the top, then combine well and allow to reduce on high for a few minutes. Continue to cook until the sauce begins to thicken slightly. Add the lamb pieces back in the pan, coat to stop them drying out and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. If I wasn't sure how soft the lamb was going to cook, I'd normally marinate the lamb overnight in the yogurt, but I use these lamb leg steaks from Aldi, which always cook soft in just a few minutes. After about 5 minutes, give it a good stir and sprinkle over most of the fresh chopped lemony coriander and combine. When the meat is cooked through and the sauce is getting near the consistency you require, sprinkle over the fennel powder and stir through a little naga if using. Today I'm just stealing a couple of teaspoons of the naga oil for heat. Finally, if you've not used the yogurt to marinate the lamb, add a few spoons of it now. Allow to heat up slightly, then stir through to combine well. As always, a full list of the ingredients for 1, 2 and 4 servings can be found in the description below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.